in the selection of assistant professor, Lords, in the subject Vyakaran in Sanskrit by the Bihar State University Service Commission. Lords, the advertisement was stipulated weightage marks for teaching experience. But it says 2 marks for 1 year, total 10 marks. Now, this petitioner, Lords, initially joined an affiliated college, which was affiliated with the Rashtriya Shikshan Sansthan. Subsequently, it has been by an act in 2020 made a Central Sanskrit University. And subsequently, Lords, he joined a constituent college of Rameshwar Singh Darbhanga Sanskrit University as a guest teacher. So, Lords, it was stipulated that the teaching experience certificate has to be countersigned by the registrar. So, for the purposes of his teaching in the constituent college, the registrar Miller's countersigned the certificate.
Registrar?
Signed the countersigned the teaching experience certificate. For the teaching in affiliated college, he went to the Rashtriya Shikshan Sansthan with the recommendation of the principal, with the signature of the principal and recommendation of the chairperson of the managing committee that his case should be, that his teaching experience should be countersigned. The registrar of the Central Sanskrit University said that employees of affiliated college, even though I provide them financial assistance, they are not my employees. The appointing authority is the chairperson of the managing committee, so he should countersign your teaching experience. The chairperson of the managing committee subsequently countersigned my teaching experience. I produced it. But my lord, since there is no signature of the registrar, my teaching experience has not been taken into consideration. This is the grievance, my lords. Since affiliated...
Have they filed their reply?
They have not filed, my lords.
I will file. The identical issues, my lord, has decided the issues that the registrar signature is mandatory as per the advertisement.
My lords have decided that issue. My lords have clarified.
WJC number 540.
There, my lord, the issue was that whether teaching experience should be given to the guest teachers or ad hoc teachers or not.
That was another.
Relying on Asim Kumar Bose and other judgments, my lords have said that there can be no distinction on this aspect of the matter. And my lords have said that there is a purpose why, my lords, the teaching weightage is given, because the experienced teachers would be available to them. So the stipulation...
That was relating to guest faculty.
Lordships. Here, my lords, the only issue is, my lords, since the registrar is not treating me as its employee, I have examined the scheme of Rashtriya Shikshan Sansthan also. There also, my lord, they said...
The two judgment is with us, my lord. One from this bench and the second from the identical issues. Registrar must sign the...
Mr. Chaudhary,
yes,
you know Mr. Chaudhary, no?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen a Supreme Court judgment on this aspect, whether endorsement is required or not? And can you deny that experience only because it is not countersigned?
It is advertisement clause, my lord. So,
Even then, Supreme Court said that merely because of counter signatures, you cannot deny that actual experience which has been gained. Please look into that judgment. File your reply.
I will.
It would be...
I will see. In accordance to that, my counter.
Yes, it is not an old judgment, it is almost recently. We'll give you... When? Next week? When is the selection process going on?
Already completed. A person has already appointed.
A few candidates have been appointed. Not
Already
all,
joined.
all the
Already
posts
joined in the university.
all the posts have not been filled.
This parameter is uniformly adopted by the IOB.
This uniformly parameters which are required.
As per, we are bound to follow the advertisement clause. Any adverse decision has yet taken by the commission, so it is uniformly utilized.
The uniformity should be only merit.
Yes.
A person higher in merit should not be deprived selection merely because of these reasons. The main supreme consideration for selection is a higher meritorious person should not be deprived of his selection. We need good people. We need good teachers.
इनको teaching में experience number मिला है.
Let you file your short reply next week.
I think 2 weeks दिया जाए. 2 weeks दिया जाए. 2 weeks.
We have vacations.
अच्छा.